to fix "There is a billing problem with a previous purchase." Are you seeing the message "There is a billing problem with a previous purchase" on your iPhone? This issue can prevent you from downloading apps, making new purchases, or even accessing subscriptions. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to fix this problem and get your account back on track. First, start by checking your payment method. Go to Settings on your iPhone, tap on your name at the top, and then select Payment and Shipping. Make sure your payment method is up to date, valid, and has enough funds to cover any outstanding charges. If your card has expired or there's an issue with your billing information, update it with the correct details. If updating your payment method doesn't resolve the issue, check for any unpaid balances on your Apple ID. Open the App Store, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, and select Manage Payments. If there's an unpaid balance, you'll see it here. Tap on it to pay the balance using an updated or different payment method. Next, make sure your billing address matches the address on file with your bank or credit card issuer. Go to Settings, tap on your name, select Payment and Shipping, and then tap on your payment method to verify the address. An address mismatch can often lead to billing issues, so ensure that all details are accurate. If the problem persists, try removing your current payment method and adding it back. Go to Payment and Shipping, tap on the payment method, and select Remove Payment Method. After removing it, tap Add Payment Method to re-enter your details. This can often reset the billing settings and clear up any lingering issues. Additionally, make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, tap on General, then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it, as updates often include fixes for billing-related bugs. If you're still seeing the error message, contact your bank or credit card provider to ensure there are no blocks or restrictions on your account that could be causing the issue. Sometimes, banks automatically block transactions if they detect unusual activity, so confirming with them can resolve the problem. Lastly, if none of these steps work, contact Apple Support directly. You can do this through the Apple Support app or by visiting Apple's official website. Explain the billing issue clearly, and they can help resolve the problem with your account. And that's how you can fix the "There is a billing problem with a previous purchase" error on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching.